Good morning, everybody. My name is Cyril Spruit. You're here at the ISE Amsterdam and you're looking at the booth from NEC. Here I will show you some things about the NEC NEC Meeting Center, which is a new application we have introduced. And I run it here at the NEC Meeting Center on the NEC InfinityBoard, which is a touch-sensitive board with integrated audio and video. So I've set up here a meeting with one participant, and here is the meeting with another participant. So what you can see is that we have an audio-video connection by means of the WebRTC capability that is available within the NEC Meeting Center. So it's sharing audio and video for multiple participants. Now we are only with 2 participants, but you can have a whole number of participants over here. And what is nice, you can have also do some screen sharing. I can say, well, I want to share some information via WebRTC. I can just select what information do I want to share. I can share, for instance, this specific board. It's just the NEC InfinityBoard capability to say, well, it's okay. I just say, it's all good. And it's also shared in the meeting. So this information is brought to all the participants in the collaboration meeting. So this is just an example how the NEC Meeting Center can integrate with NEC InfinityBoard. So hope this gives you a short overview of this smart workspace solution. For more information, you can check our website, nec-enterprise.com. Thank you.